The former president's conviction has left a lot of people wondering if he can still run for president or even vote.
Our Dallas Payton sought out a local attorney to try to get some answers.
Attorney Jay Kinnemer with McMahon Law Firm says for legal reasonings he believes the felonies will not have much impact on former President Donald Trump's right to vote or to rerun for the 2024 presidential election.
I think they knew that all along. Certainly someone in this campus already looked at this.
Kinnemer explains why the felonies will not likely affect Trump's run for another presidential term.
Legally, the ability to be on each state's ballot, I think they'll get around that, saying it's a constitutional issue, not a state issue. And the state law prohibits a felon from running, then it would be only for state offices and not a federal office. So I think they'll get around that way.
With former President Donald Trump being a resident of Florida, he still has the possibility to vote depending on what his sentence is.
Like in the state of Florida, you can't you can't vote in the state of Florida if the person's convicted of a felony in another state and still behind bars. Well, if he's not incarcerated at the time, it's not going to affect him there either.
Many may wonder if Trump can pardon himself if he is reelected as the president of the United States.
He will not be able to pardon himself for state charges. Pardons are for federal issues, so that's going to stay. He won't be able to affect that, and that's why it's also should be very concerned about what's going on down in the state of Georgia with the fake electors. That case.
For Local 3 News, I'm Dallas Payton.